Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'm going to show you how to set up and use Jira as a product owner. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident creating a dedicated workspace in Jira that's tailored for your product management needs, and you'll know exactly how to make it work for you and your team. All right, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Spaces section in Jira. Think of spaces like separate rooms for your projects. Each one keeps your information organized and focused. You'll usually find the Spaces tab on the left-hand sidebar of your Jira dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. Take a moment to look around. This area is the hub for all your workspaces, and you can come back here anytime to switch between different projects or teams. Next up, you'll see a little plus button, usually at the top right or sometimes near the Spaces heading. This button is your gateway to creating something brand new. Click on the plus button, and Jira will prompt you with a few options for what kind of space you want to set up. Now, you're looking for a product management template. Jira provides several templates, each designed for different types of projects and workflows. The product management template is specifically helpful for product owners because it offers built-in tools for roadmaps, backlog management, stakeholder communication, and progress tracking. If you're sifting through the templates, you might see options for software development, service desks, or simple document spaces, but make sure to pick the product management template here. This is like choosing the right blueprint before you start building your house. With the right template, everything else falls into place more smoothly. Once you've selected the template, you'll be asked to type in a space name. Pick something descriptive, perhaps the product's name or the specific team it's for. For example, let's say your team is developing a new app. You could name this space Mobile App Launch 2024, or whatever fits best with your company's naming conventions. This makes it easier for everyone to find and understand what the space is about at a glance. Don't stress too much about being perfect here. You can always rename this space later if you need to. After you've entered the name, just hit the Create button. Jira will now set up your new workspace, and this part only takes a few moments. You'll see your space come to life with sections for pages, tasks, timelines, and all sorts of tools that help you manage a product from ideation to launch and beyond. Here's where the fun begins. Customizing your space according to your needs. Every product team operates a little differently, so take the time to explore the available features. You can add pages for your product requirements, set up a roadmap for key milestones, or even invite stakeholders to collaborate on specs and feedback. For example, if your team runs weekly stand-ups, you could add a recurring meeting page right here. Or if you have specific workflows, you can edit the default task templates and statuses to match your process. If you're not sure where to start, that's totally normal. Try poking around each section and think about what information your team tracks most frequently. You could set up user stories, issue tracking, or a backlog for future enhancements. Remember, the space is yours, so change it to fit, even if that means experimenting a little bit at first. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Jira makes it easy to edit, move, or even remove elements. And that's really all there is to it. By creating and customizing your own product management space in Jira, you're laying the foundation for better collaboration, clearer communication, and smoother product delivery. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you're using Jira as a product owner. And if you're interested in more easy-to-follow guides like this, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and happy product managing.